Hello guys, today I will explain about what is adblock and how gonna we use it. Okay, first I'm gonna tell about what is adblock. Adblock is something like tools or software that we use to prevent an advertisement from the website. So such example that I can show you. This YouTube. Okay, so as you can see in YouTube, so this video is have a advertisement before he start the video. Okay, so to prevent it or to remove it, we need an ad block to block the advertisement, so we can strictly watching the video from the YouTube. Okay, today I will show you how and where we can install the ad block. Okay, first you go to Chrome Web Store and you can search in an ad block. Okay, so if you after you search, you can see there are many kinds of ad block that you can use. So I choose the ad block this because I have installed it. I already installed it. So um, just install this, and as you can see at this upright. Okay, this logo ad block this. Okay, you then click that you can see many function this. Okay, so you can click the setting. Okay, this have many setting for to do it. So example filter. Okay, other filter list, you can use it to malware protection, fanboy annoyance, easy privacy, anti-social filter list, remove the social media button, adblock only removal list. So you can just um, tick on this. Okay, so after we have installed it, so you can use it. So um, go to the channel that have an advertisement for this. Okay, as you can see the pop-up show one on this page. So he remove the ad on this page. Okay, just refresh it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kebelakangan ni saya perasan adalah dua tiga post yang naik dekat saya punya Facebook yang pertikaikan adakah level untuk seorang artis jadi streamer. Yalah, kita pun tahu yang artis
they have no advertisement because at this we already blocked the add-on in this page. So because why we using it, because to make the website load faster, because the advertisement can simply uh, need to load more image tag. So after we remove the advertisement, so the page will load faster than before we have a advertisement. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.